Let's go to the fridge. Here is the fridge today in all of its glory. How am I going to praise myself? Well, I'm going to say I'm fun. I'm pretty fun. How am I feeling today? Well, I feel anxious, so we're going to put it on fear here. Awesome. How am I feeling Weird Al wise? I feel like this today. Wacky levels, they are medium high today, and the word of the day is cranberry.